Hello everyone, Zoe Globe here. This quick video tutorial is going to teach you how to use IRC, both to join my group channel and how to privately IRC message me. There's a thing I need to teach you about IRC first before we get into this tutorial. Imagine a room, like a physical place in real life. If we're both in the room together, we can talk to each other. If I was to leave, you couldn't talk to me, same as if you were to leave. That's how IRC works in its rooms and its private messaging. There's no way to leave a message for someone else in IRC, unless external things like a log or a history bot or some other kind of system are in place. So think of IRC as like a real physical place. This means that if I'm not there or you're not there, we can't talk to each other. But if we're both online, we can. So with IRC, you basically want to leave the client idling on a computer. There are also other different advanced options that you can choose to go to if you're dedicating yourself to IRC. But yeah, for now, how IRC works and how you'll have to get used to using IRC if you've never used it before, is to leave the client open in the background on your computer. And IRC is not really a phone-compatible thing due to this, because phones like to sleep processes after a few minutes of inactivity, and that doesn't really work with IRC. So, if you're okay with that conceit of the system, then we'll get started and I'll teach you how to use it. To use IRC, you have to use an IRC client. This is a program that runs on your computer that will allow you to talk to people who use IRC. My recommended IRC client that you use is HexChat. So let's get it working. You'll want to open your web browser of choice. Mine's Firefox. And search for HexChat in your favourite search engine. Mine's DuckDuckGo. You can see HexChat here in the top link at hexchat.github.io. And then go to Get Downloads. Here you select your operating system. You can get the newest, shiniest version of HexChat from here, for Windows or of course for Linux. If you're on Linux and you can't manage to get the versions from this site to work, just get HexChat from your package manager. It working reliably is better than the new changes they've made in slightly newer versions. So yeah, just pick which version you have, and go through the installer, and when it's installed, run it. There it is. When it first starts, you'll probably get a window like this. The network list, and it'll probably guess your username from whatever the username variable is set to. Change the username if you wish, or just leave it as it is. You can see how the second choice and the third choice are just the name with an underscore after it, and 2 underscores for the third choice. This just means that if you've already accidentally logged in with another client, it'll know what to pick for a second and third one. Normally it doesn't matter, just put underscores after it like it did by default. Okay, there we go. So now, because this tutorial is about joining my server is a claimed Freenode instance, so you'll want to click on the Freenode default network, press Favor, and then press Show Favorites Only. Now you'll only be able to see Freenode, which is where my server is. Then hit Connect. You'll see yourself connecting, just give it a few moments, and then you'll be asked to join a channel. So press Join this channel, and type in #ZoeGlobe, as you can see displayed on screen. Then press OK. It will then say you need to be identified with services. This basically means you need to be registered and logged in with IRC's authentication services. It will then give you a link. If you follow that link, it'll tell more about it, and I'll show you how to register and log in. You can see on the page that it linked you to how to basically register. So go back into the IRC client and type the command it basically suggested, obviously with modifications for your own. So msg nickserve, and nickserve is a bot that will manage, it basically manages all the registrations and logins. Register your password and your email. Of course I'm censoring this out in the video because this is my password and my email. First thing after register here is the password you want to have, and the thing after a space after that is your email. Then hit enter. Oh, you see, I've got an email now. You'll want to go to your email box and check after you've done that register command. And then it'll give you another command to type to confirm that you're registered and that you're you and the email was right. So you want to just copy this command. I've censored a part of it for my privacy. You want to go back to your IRC client and paste that one into the chat message as well. Make sure that all of these commands start with a slash like a command does, or you'll be sending it into a channel, and that's a bad idea. There we go. So now you're officially registered with Freenode and Nixserve, so you can now use all IRC channels that are on the system that are publicly available. Now, just to make sure that everything's working, go to the HexChat menu and press Quit, and then press Quit. Start HexChat again. Press Connect to Freenode. Click Join this channel and type #ZoeGlobe after it, and then press OK. Then you'll be told that you need to identify. So this is basically logging in so that we can make sure that you're you. You'll have to do this every time you join IRC, but then you're just going to stay in it and idle because that's how IRC works. So type /msg nixserve identify, then your username, then your password. Obviously with spaces in between all of those bits. Hit enter. And now you are identified as yourself. So now if you type in the chat /join #ZoeGlobe, you can now see that you're in the channel. You can see everyone on the right of the screen is currently in the channel and can receive your messages. If you leave IRC, you'll no longer be able to see any messages that are in it. So don't close your client if you wish to participate. It's like a real life room. If you leave it, you can't see what's in it. But if you're there, you can. That's all it takes to get into the group IRC. All you need to do to get into IRC every single time you happen to leave it is open HexChat, press connect on the Freenode, press join a channel, and type in #ZoeGlobe, then type /msg nixserve identify your username, your password, hit enter, then type /join #ZoeGlobe. Then you're officially in the IRC group as you, and we know it. Now, private messaging someone is a logical extension of joining this channel. So after you've joined this channel and you want to message me, it's really simple. Type in the chat /msg space ZoeGlobe space your message, and then hit enter. You can now see, because of these little marks, but by the side of the name, that I've sent a message to ZoeGlobe. But maybe you want it to feel like a more traditional chat, like a chat between people. That's simple as well. You can see on the side my name's here. If you right-click me and press Open Dialog Window, you'll have a normal traditional chat interface, which you can send whatever you want in. Testing. And then if I open my IRC client, as you can see now, hello, testing. Hi. See? Simple, reliable, instant messaging that works on the tenets and ways that real-life conversations work. So yeah, just keep those clients open, keep idling, and join IRC and we can talk. And obviously, you can talk with the wonderful people who are in the group. You can't see all of the people in the player list on the side here, because there's also a Discord channel bridged to this one. Some of my friends have issues with their internet, so they can't be on IRC all the time. But yeah, I'll be seeing you soon on IRC. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more techie, Linux, nerdy gaming video things. And follow me on Mastodon to get more updates and posts and random stuff that nobody knows what's going to come out of me. That's @ZoeGlobe @mastodon.technology. I'll see you next time.